All right, hold on. Give it a minute and let that pressure build up just a minute. Let that pressure build up just a minute. Let those tanks warm up just a little bit. They're getting cold. I want you to feel the pressure in those tubes. I want you to pull that handle. I want you to put some fire in the sky this time. You ready on the right? Ready on the left? All ready on the firing line. Commence firing. That's what I'm talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Give me a big hand for all the folks from Control Burn and Compression 2015. Thank you so very much. We love you madly. All right. Now, as a denouement.